We're back with Bluebook Practice Test 5, and this is the harder second module for English. Okay, so looking at number 1, we're back with the vocab. So, which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Mary E. Gold Pennington, a chemist who helped advance home refrigeration, undoubtedly made a substantial impact on society, but her place in our historical memory is perhaps more blank than that of Stephanie Kolik, who invented the incredibly strong material known as Kevlar, an accomplishment for which she will long be remembered. Okay, so it's showing this. So her invention is more blank than hers. And what was her invention? Long remembered. So we're going to have to look for the one that is opposite of long remembered. Permanent means long remembered. No. Tentative means short term. So this could work. Warranted means a cause or effect. That doesn't matter. Prominent means prominent is the same as long remembered. So this wouldn't work. Number 2. Which choice completes the text with the most logical word? To demonstrate that the integrity of underground metal pipes can be assessed without unearthing the pipes, engineer Aroba Salim and colleagues blank the tendency of some materials' internal magnetic fields to alter under stress. The team showed that such alterations can be measured from a distance and can reveal concentrations of stress in the pipes. Okay, so we're going to say, so they're saying they thought this will happen. So if they prediction is the same as hypothesized in this case. So hypothesized would be the same as giving an idea, kind of, and this would fit under this context. Discounted doesn't work. Redefined is giving a new definition. Exploited. So exploited could also work because they're using the metal's internal magnetic fields. So exploited should work. The reason why hypothesized didn't work is we'll look at the answer. Hypothesized means a tentative assumption to be evaluated. But they could have one or more hypotheses, so it should not have been tentative. Despite the generalizations about human behavior they have produced, many studies of behavioral psychology have highly unrepresentative subject pools. Students at the college and universities where the researchers are employed. 2. Blank. The situation is necessary to actively recruit subjects from diverse backgrounds. Okay, so in this, the problem is it's very unrepresentative, meaning it's not diverse at all. So we're going to have to find something that negates that. Since they want to be diverse, we're going to have to find a word that says negates. Sanction. Sanction is placing like a limit on something, so this won't work. Ameliorate could work because ameliorate means making better. Rationalize wouldn't work is because it's making something smaller. And postulate wouldn't work, so ameliorate. So postulate means to suggest or claim a theory which is unrelated. Which choice? Okay. Though not closely related, the hedgehog, tenrex of Madagascar share a basic blank. True hedgehogs, including protective spines, pointed snouts, and small body size, traits the two groups of mammals independently developed in response to equivalent roles in their respective habitats. Okay, so they both have both of these, even though they're independent. So we're going to have to find something that says both, implies both. Examples? No, it's not giving an example. Concerns? No. Indications? No, it's not indicating anything, so it's similarities.